Hello friends, today we are solving Hilbert's Hotel. So this is one of the tough questions for the code forces. So what it is given is like there are infinite number of rooms and we want to place some like every room contains one person in it. So but we want to rearrange the people in the rooms. So by this formula we need to do that over k plus ak mod n, means the k will be the index value array of k mod n. So this will be the new location of that person. So if we find out that one room contains more than one person, then we should print no. If it is not like this, then we should print yes. So we need to check whether there is a collision or not. So in this example, let's see over here. So the test cases given are as like the number of test cases, then first line will contain the value of how many number of elements are there in the array, and then the array elements will be there. So it's 1, so 14, its array is of length 1 and it is having value 14. So we can check like by that value 0 plus 14% array length, so it will come 14. So if 14 is unique, right? So there are no collisions, so we should print yes. Over here 2 1 minus 1. So over here also if you do the same thing, 1 plus 0% 2, so which will come at 0 plus 1% 2, it will be minus 1, sorry, 0 plus 1% 2 will be 1. So this will go to the first location, and minus 1 plus 2 plus, sorry, 1 plus minus 1% 1, this percent 2. So this can also be arranged in a unique way. So over here you can see 3 2 1, an example where we can't do that, like 3 0 plus 3% 3, which will come 3, 2 1 plus 2% 3 0, and 1 plus 2% 3 0. So there will be collision. So when there will be collision, we'll print no. So let's do it. Like I use scanner to take input. So the number of test cases, scanner.nextInt. Then I took for each test case I am getting the length of the array, and then I am iterating array, and I have created one array, and I am pushing the values of arrays and creating the array. So now I will be writing get array function, which will print yes or no. Public static void get array int array will be input. So in order to check this, we'll use hash set. If there was collision, the length of hash set will be not equal to array's length. So now for each element we'll compute the value, like how many values it got shifted. Set dot add, I'll create value will be array of I plus array of I percent array dot length, and we can do again. So why we are doing it is, so I am again doing value plus array dot length, percent array length. So if the value will be negative, then also it will have the positive value and it will create the solution in that way also. So suppose -8 was there, the value -8 was there. So in that condition it will be useful, so to handle the negative values. So I'll add this. So what I can do over here is, if set dot contains val means that system dot out dot println means we cannot have people uniquely, and we can terminate this. Else we can add the set dot add val, and in the end we can write that we can create, like the hotel can have like all the people with each having one room. So yes, so this is our solution. I already submitted it over here and it is getting accepted. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.